everyone, we are from group 5. So today we are going to present our paper about dampak perubahan iklim pada lingkungan di Indonesia. So here are our table of contents. So chapter 1, introduction. So the background of our paper is Indonesia is a country that often experiences climate change and natural disaster. So the research questions are, how will El Nino and La Nina impact Indonesia? What are the impacts of climate change on the agricultural sector? What causes landslide that can cause climate change? Based on the existing problem formulation, the reason we choose the climate change problem is that climate change is one of the hot topics related to the environmental issue. We want to know the impact of climate change in Indonesia. And last is the impact of climate change can be felt by anyone in current period of time.
Chapter 2, the standpoint of knowledge. Next, please. El Nino and La Nina. Next, please. There is a case of El Nino and La Nina. According to Tribune News 2017, El Nino super phenomenon occurred in 2015, leading to severe drought in some areas in Indonesia. While La Nina, according to Warta Kota 2017, La Nina super phenomenon occurred in 2016 with the rainy season far longer than the dry season. Next, please. The impact on the farming sector. So there is a case of impact on the farming sector. So unpredictable changes in the weather can result in the farmers' harvest. The livelihood for farmers is reduced and the land used originally for cultivation into the drought. Next, please. The impact on this factory section. So deforestation becomes the most anthropogenic activity that often takes place under the influence of climate change. As a result, the forest cover of Indonesia will be reduced by the exploitation of forestry. Next, please.
Topic 3. The perspective and ethnic and spirituality. Nature is valued for how it affects human interest. On the other hand, for biocentrism, nature should be valued for this intrinsic value. Next, please. Next, please. In Islam, the relationship and harmony between macrocosm and macrocosm is an important part of the debate of Islamic thought. From the beginning of the present, such as the theology, philosophy, and Sufism, so that the nature and the environmental in Islamic teaching are an inseparable part and have spiritual value. Next, please. Bruno Guiderdoni explained that the main meaning of understanding cosmic theology is not to research nature, but how humans behave in manage and living with nature with divine spirit and value. Next.
As in the case of the extinction of biodiversity with the extinction of many extinct species such as the species of cow, one-horned rhinoceros, harimau Jawa, lemur, and the orangutan tapanuli, these animals became extinct due to the destruction of their habitat due forest fire and illegal logging. Not only animals, but many plants are also extinct such as terongkat malaikat, flower, and mangga kasturi. Next.
Action to prevent the problem. The first one is El Nino. El Nino occurs during the dry season, so many people can make water reservoir. Second, La Nina. La Nina occurs during rainy season, so people are advised to not to throw garbage in any place to prevent flooding. Third is farming sector. We can do adaptation technology, and the last one is forestry sector. To save the forestry sector, we can do reforestation and also reduce illegal logging.
Conclusion. So, some of the problems that we have described above are not the least that occur due to human intervention. Sometimes humans fulfill their own egos to get what they want and create effects that may harm other people or even the earth. Next slide, please. We as humans who have intelligence and conscience must be able to control ourselves so that we won't be selfish and obey the greed. Rice fields that are a source of food become buildings. Animals that should be able to live properly in their habitats are threatened with death because of their natural habitats are destroyed. Plastic waste builds up and start polluting the ocean. If we don't start now, then who will? Should we wait the earth to be completely destroyed? Think again. And alright guys, so that is all for our presentation today. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.